Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can get a player pack from the store using a founder points that you can get from last season or season transition. Let's get started by tapping store. As you can see, there are some options here from recommend until FC point and gems, division rifle, live event, welcome to FC Mobile, and this one founders. You see there are three options here, player pack. Let's tap this one. This is the standard player pack. There are legendary or iconic player here that you can get. And also this is nowadays player like De Bruyne, Mbappe and Erling Haaland. Only with 100 founders point. So you can exchange 100 founders point, and with this mixed version player, just one player, but the rating is from 60. Maybe you get shaft, get a unusable player, or you can get this legendary player. And also you can get discount player pack also, only 50 founders point, and you can get the same rate like 60 until 94. This is low rate summon, and this is you have to spend 2000 of founders point to get this guarantee reward. One player with high rating or high overall base 88 plus with 2000 or high amount of founders point, but you can get a guarantee good player 88 plus. So feel free to try. Please use your founders point wisely. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe. Also click the button below. Enjoy the game.